Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to KS Academy. My name is Abdullah, and in this module we will be explaining how we can perform rate analysis using Microsoft Excel. This will be based on market rate system of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa first biannual. And in this module we will be taking the example of concrete, and we will be finding the composite rate of that concrete. So I will just open Microsoft Excel. We will be performing rate analysis for a concrete having a mixed ratio of this, and this is the sample of concrete. For automation, I want this length to appear in this cell, and this width to appear in this cell, and this height to appear in this cell. For that, I will go to developer, insert, and I will click this text box, and I will just insert it here, and I will just again click on this, and I will go to Visual Basic, and here is the code. We will be typing this code. We will be providing it in the description. So what is here, we will provide the text box number and cell number, row number, and cell column number. So how we can find the text box number? So I will just cross it, and I will click on design mode, and then I will click on the box. So this is the text box number. I will go to Visual Basic again, and this is text box number 1. Now we have to find the cell row number and column number. So this is row number 4 and column number 4, 5, 6, 7, column number 7. So row number 4 and column number 7. So the value in this box will appear in this cell. So I will click Ctrl S and no, and then I will save it as micro enable and save. You can give it any name. I will give it cube. So now when I type any value in this text box, so it will appear here. So this is 3. Now I will repeat the same procedure for width. So I will click on design mode, and I will duplicate it and move it here. Again I will duplicate it and move it here. Now this is text box number 2, and this is the cell. So I will copy the same code and paste it again. Now the text box is text box number 2, and the row number is 4 and the column number is 8. So I will just type for 8. 4 is already written, and this is text box number 2, and press Ctrl S. Again copy this for height. So I have to change the text box to 3 and the column number to 9. So this is done. Press Ctrl S. Now any value when we put in these boxes will appear in the respective cell 3 and 4. So this is completely automated. Now we have to find volume. For volume we have to multiply length, width, and height. So length multiplied by width and multiplied by height. So this is the volume. Now we have to find the sum. This is the water cement ratio. So for sum, I will use some formula of the portion for the portions. So sum, and these are the portions of cement, sand, and aggregate. So it is 11. So the sum of the portion is 11. cement, sand and aggregate. And now we will be finding the quantities of cement, sand, aggregate and water. So I will just delete these cells and also these cells. So to find the cement bag, what we will do, we will select this and divide it by the total and multiply it by the volume multiplied by 1.54 and divided by 1.25, which is the volume of one bag in feet cube. So 1.25 and okay. So 4 bag is required. For sand we will repeat the same step. 4 divided by 10, the portion divided by total multiplied by volume multiplied by 1.54, and for aggregate also the same step will be repeated. 6, which is the portion of aggregate, divided by the 6 divided by total and multiplied by the volume and multiplied by 1.54 and click OK. So 30.24 cubic feet. And now to find water volume, what we will do, we will divide the cement portion by total and multiply the volume and water to cement ratio, which will be given to you, and multiply it with the specific gravity of cement 3.15, and to convert it into liters we will multiply it with 1000 divided by 35, so 173 liter is required. Now to find the amount what we will do, we will multiply this with the rate, so you can use updated rates, this and divided by rate for units. So this is the amount. I will drag the formula and I will just total them. So I will use sum formula, sum, and from here to here. So this is the sum. Now this is the effort required for this concrete: 0.62 days, 3.54 days and 0.75 for mason, labor and waterman. This is the rate for mason, labor and waterman. So we will be using the same formula which we have used in the above step. So this multiplied by this and divided by this, and okay, I will just drag the formula. Now we will be using 3% sun rays. So first I will sum the above values. So from here to here, so sun rays is 3%. So 3% multiplied by the total of effort required for labor, so it will become 165. Now this is the equipment table. The effort is given for each equipment. So and this is the rate. Again we will be using the above formula. I will just delete them, and equal to multiply this by this and divide by rate per unit and drag the formula. Now this is the sum from here to here and press OK. So this is the total for labor equipment. The contractor profit and overhead is 22.5 given in the first biannual of MRS of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. So we will just multiply this equal this multiply by the total amount, which is this plus this plus this and plus this, and okay. So this is the contractor profit and overhead. Now to find the composite rate, we will just add the all these total values. So this plus this and this and this plus this, and okay. So this is the total cost or composite cost of this concrete, which is 19,000. Now if I change any value, 15 and 20, so the rate will automatically update. 16, so the rate will automatically update. Thank you for watching.